Hello everyone. The last part that we are going to discuss is the treatment and prevention of SARS infection. So SARS virus, it causes a severe acute respiratory syndrome, that is an infection to the respiratory tract, but at the same time it also causes infection to multiple other organs also. Okay. In this lecture we are going to talk about the next part, that is the treatment and prevention, that is prophylaxis of the infections caused by SARS virus. Now first let's talk about the treatment. There is no specific medicine or treatment available for SARS infection. In fact, in all the coronavirus infections cannot be directly cured by using any drugs. So there are no as such treatment methods or medication that is available for SARS. एक typical chemotherapy available याच्यासाठी नाही आहे. But किंवा antiviral drugs सुद्धा बऱ्यापैकी ट्राय केले गेलेत. Example, some antiviral drugs like ribavirin, lopinavir or ritonavir, or sometimes interferon 1, that is type 1 interferons. They have also been used, but no success have been observed with such drugs against SARS virus. So कुठला antiviral drug किंवा एखादी typical अशी ट्रीटमेंट अवेलेबल नाही आहे याच्यामध्ये. कुठलीही typical मेडिकेशन किंवा थेरपी, इवन chemotherapy त्याच्यासाठी अवेलेबल नाही आहे. But some supportive care can be taken, means to reduce the effect of symptoms, जे काय होणार आहे, fever असेल किंवा बाकीचे जे symptoms आहेत, to reduce such symptoms or the intensity of such symptoms can be reduced by using some supportive care. Supportive medicines can be taken. Some antibacterial drugs can also be taken, because काय होतं की बऱ्याच वेळा जेव्हा इन्फेक्शन SARS व्हायचं होतं, लंग इन्फेक्शन होतं, रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रॅक्ट इन्फेक्शन होतं, त्यावेळी काय होतं की bacterial infection, secondary bacterial infection is also observed. So antibacterial substances can also be used while the SARS virus infection. Directly SARS virus against nahi, but the secondary infection होणाऱ्या bacteria that can be prevented by using some antibacterial drugs. But overall in SARS infection, some supportive drugs or supportive medicines can be used to reduce the symptoms. But directly SARS virus against antiviral drugs यूज केले जाऊ शकतात किंवा केले गेले नाही आहेत किंवा जे केले गेलेत त्याच्या अगेन्स्ट तसं सक्सेस नाही आहे. The most important part regarding the SARS infection, in fact all coronavirus infections, not only SARS but other coronavirus infections, can be prevented by taking some preventive measures. Some prophylactic measures can be followed, even against the SARS-CoV-2 that causes COVID-19 or SARS-CoV-1 that causes SARS, or even MERS virus also. या सगळ्याच्या अगेन्स्ट काही कॉमन प्रिव्हेंटिव्ह मेजर्स आहेत, कारण हे जे सगळे कोरोना व्हायरसेस आहेत, दे मोस्टली अफेक्ट्स द लंग्स, सो दे कॉजेस द रेस्पिरेटरी इन्फेक्शन्स, अँड वी नो दॅट रेस्पिरेटरी इन्फेक्शन्स दे मोस्टली स्प्रेड्स थ्रू द एरोसोल्स. त्यामुळे एरोसोल मधून ट्रान्समिशन होताना काही प्रिव्हेंटिव्ह मेजर्स या कॉमन असतात सगळ्या प्रकारच्या कोरोना व्हायरसेससाठी. Okay, then what are those preventive measures? First, frequent hand wash is required. Okay, frequent hand wash, especially by using a typical soap or by using an alcohol based wash or alcohol based sanitizers. Okay, because whenever we touch any non-living object, inanimate object which have already been touched by any supposed patient, then that may be responsible for transmission of virus from that non-living object to human being. So it is supposed that after every single activity the hand wash should be done. Okay, by using a regular soap or by using the 70% alcohol based sanitizer, 60 to 70%. Then second, use of disposable gloves. It is also a second preventive measures. Disposable gloves are used. At the same time, surgical mask and use of eyeglasses are also supposed to be an important protective or preventive measures. So surgical masks should be used, because both the infected person as well as the healthy person should carry such mask, because infected person is responsible for transmission of aerosols or releasing the aerosols into the air. So that person is also supposed to use the surgical mask, and the healthy person, to prevent the entry of such aerosols inside the body, the supportive or that is mask is mandatory for every kind of human being. Okay, at the same time eyeglasses can also be responsible for some kind of protection. Then other personal items should also be washed frequently. Similarly, it is also necessary to disinfect the surfaces. the surface on which we are working constantly, then it may be a table or it may be any other kind of surface, then that kind of surface should be regularly disinfected. Okay, because that may also responsible for transmission of virus. And the most important thing is the person to person transmission of SARS virus occurs whenever two person, that is infected person and a regular human, healthy human, if they comes in close proximity, close contact with each other. So it is necessary to follow such social distancing. The distance between two individuals is supposed to be more than 6 feet, 2 meter. Okay, so avoid going into the crowded areas, following the social distancing, disinfect the surfaces, wash the personal items regularly, as well as the frequent wash of hands is necessary. Use of gloves, especially the disposable gloves, use of mask, use of eyeglasses, these are mandatory. These are very important preventive measures for the SARS virus as well as for other viruses under coronavirus family. Okay, because there is no vaccine available against SARS virus. SARS virus against कुठल्याही प्रकारचे अजून तरी vaccine available नाही आहे. Okay, so by following these measures we can prevent the infection of SARS virus. So this is all about the treatment and prevention of SARS. Thank you.